Ben and I went hunting down in Bosque County, Texas. Got a text from the landowner saying he had a hog problem. Found these hog skulls while looking around the property. Also found some signs of hog rooting, this being the largest patch in a newly planted field. We got set up between that field and another field. Spied this hog just inside the tree line. Got lined up on it. Since Ben was the guest, he got the first opportunity here. Here he goes. One shot and the hog goes right down. Here's the view from my rifle. I'm providing backup to Ben.
3, 2, 1.
And the hog goes right down. Good job.
You shot a boar.
I don't find quality assurance necessary.
Here Ben is making a joke about shots I take on downed hogs to make sure they stay down. I call them quality assurance shots. So about 10 minutes later, Ben and I are scanning both the fields still with our handheld units. My rifle is sitting on the shooting sticks. It's still recording. Ben says,
Ben, where's your pig? Where's your pig?
so now I'm scanning for the pig with my rifle. Ben spots it. We go down in the field, come around on the hog. He's down, but he is upright. And we decide that we're going to go ahead and finish him off. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he was still alive.
Yeah.
Good looking boar, came in at 175 pounds. Ben's initial shot was behind the ear. Apparently did not do any cerebral damage. And that is why the hog was not dead. We left our spot between the two fields. Made a circuit around the property, spied these two hogs, chased them for a while with no luck. Ended up coming back to our original spot and found hogs out in the field again. Well, it was a very bright moon, so we decided that we needed to go around the outside of the field following the tree line to come around on these hogs. It was a long stalk, about 750 to 800 yards. Here we're about 200 yards out. Now we moved a little bit closer. We're at 175 yards. Ben was ready to shoot from here. I thought we should get a little bit closer. The bright moon was the problem. It was actually shining directly on us. We were walking into the rising moon. We went ahead and stopped at 155 yards. Ben's going to take a hog on the left. I'm going to take a hog on the right. All right, here we go.
2, 1.
Nicely done, Ray.
And here's the view from my rifle. After what happened with Ben's hog earlier, I thought maybe a little quality assurance was in order. Here we go.
2, 1.
Nicely done, Ray.
You just gonna let you shoot them all?
Yeah.
And with that, we had 4 dead boars.
Safety on.
I'm gonna keep scanning.
They came in at 130 pounds, 120, 110, and 110 pounds.
Optics provided by Third Coast Thermal.
Carpe sus, my friends.